Good morning, children. We, the teachers of DePaul School, invites you in this special class. Children, today I am going to teach you grammar for standard 6 children. So, we'll start lesson 1. This is lesson 1. You can see nouns. Now, children, here the definition of noun is given here. You can see a noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal, a thing, a quality, or an idea. Here some of the examples are also given about noun. The children enjoyed the circus. Children and circus are noun in this sentence. The clowns made them laugh. Clowns, noun. The acrobats were amazing. Acrobats, noun in this sentence. The words children, circus, clown and acrobats are noun. Okay. Now, we will move on to the types of noun. Here we start with common noun. See children, it is given here. India is a great country. Monica is my friend. The girl smiled at us. Country, friend, girl are common nouns. A common noun is the general name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Now, about proper noun. Here we have seen India, Monica. These two are proper nouns. A proper noun is the particular name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Now we will move on to collective noun. The army marched forward. In this sentence, army is collective noun. The fleet of ships looked majestic. Fleet is collective noun in this sentence. Now children, we will see what is abstract noun. Abstract noun, here one example is given, control your anger. Anger is the abstract noun in this sentence. The poet wrote about the beauty of a flower. Beauty is the abstract noun. You see here, anger and beauty are abstract nouns, and abstract nouns is the name of an idea, a feeling, or a quality. An abstract noun cannot be seen or touched. It is just a feeling and idea which we can feel and see, but we cannot touch. Now children, we will know about concrete noun. Here you can see, she is wearing a red dress. Dress is a concrete noun. What is concrete noun? A noun that refers to a person, place or thing which can be seen, touched, smelled, tasted or felt by sense is called concrete noun. Now last we will know about material noun. Material nouns are name of substance from which concrete things are made. That means all the materials in this universe comes under material noun. Like here example is given one. This sweater is made of wool. Sweater is concrete noun and wool is a material noun. Many more examples you can get also: gold, silver, aluminium, plastic, clay, wood, etc. comes under material noun. Now we will move on to exercise portion. Exercise A. Underline the noun in this sentence. Means you have to find out the noun in this given sentences. First one, Cement was used to build this tower. Cement and tower are the nouns. Question number 2. Sheetal saw a cute puppy while coming home from school. Sheetal, puppy, home and school are the nouns in this sentence. Question number 3. The crew looked after the passengers well. Passengers and crew are the noun in this sentence. Many cars were stranded because of the heavy rain. Rain and cars are the noun. Rakesh has a great fear of height. Rakesh and height are the noun in the sentence. Question number 6. A school of whales was spotted by the sailors. School, whales and sailors are the noun in this particular sentence. Question number 7. Whatever King Midas touched turned to gold. King, Midas and gold are the noun in this sentence. Question number 8. The computer is an electronic machine. Computer and machine are the noun in this sentence. Now you can see the chart here. You have to write this noun in this particular chart according to the column. In column common noun, you have to find out the common nouns from this and write it here. I have written here, first one is given here tower. I have written puppy, school, passenger, cars, whale, sailor, king, machine are all comes under common noun. Now proper noun. Sheetal, Rakesh, Midas comes under proper noun column. Collective noun, crew, school are collective noun. Abstract noun, height is abstract noun. Concrete noun, home and computer are concrete noun. Material noun, cement, rain, gold are material noun. Now children, we will move on to B. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Here one help box is given for you. You have to find out the correct answer from this help box and fill in these blanks. So children, I will start with question number 1. We appreciate courage, not cowardice. Here it is given courage. You have to write the opposite word of courage is cowardice. Question number 2. Disciples is important. Discipline is important for success, but opposite of discipline is indiscipline, will surely lead to failure. Now we'll move to question number 3. Aman was respected for his honesty, but his cousin was disliked because of his dishonesty. Opposite of honesty is dishonesty. Question number 4. Foolishness is laughed at, but wisdom is honored. Foolishness opposite is wisdom. Question number 5. Show kindness to all living creatures, not cruelty. Kindness opposite is cruelty. Question number 6. My mother dislikes shabbiness and is very particular about cleanliness. Shabbiness, opposite is cleanliness. Question number 7. Noble action will earn a lot of respect and honor, but unworthy action will result in dishonor. Honor, opposite is dishonor. 8. The officer was known for his intelligence and his assistant was mocked for his ignorance. Intelligence opposite is ignorance, or you can say ignorance opposite is intelligence. Now children, we will move to question number C. Read this sentence and underline the correct option. Means you have to read the question. 4 options are given for each question. You have to underline the correct answer from it. First one, Rebecca and her best friend went to the beach yesterday to have fun. Which of these options is a common noun? Here, Rebecca, fun, beach and best are the 4 options given. The correct option is beach. Question number 2. Mother wore a scarf made of silk which was richly embroidered in blue and orange. Which of these options is material noun? Scarf, silk, blue and orange. The correct answer is silk. The notorious gang of thieves has been arrested by the police at last. Which of these options is a collective noun? Thieves, police, gang, notorious. Gang is the collective noun. The palace on wheel had departed by the time we reached the station. Which of these options is a proper noun? Departed, palace on wheel, station, time. Correct option is palace on wheel. So children, you got the answer. Now we will move on to the next page. Question number 5. I was taken aback to see that the hives of wasps in the garden had been destroyed. Which of these options is a collective noun? Aback, hive, garden, wasp. Hive is the collective noun. Knowledge is a powerful instrument in the right hands. Which of these options is an abstract noun? Powerful, hand, instrument, knowledge. Knowledge is abstract noun in this sentence. Has the jury already pronounced the verdict in court? Which of these options is a collective noun? Verdict, jury, court or already? Jury is the collective noun in this sentence. You must take permission before leaving the class. Which of these options is an abstract noun? Class, must, permission, before. Permission. Now we will move on to countable and uncountable noun. Children, what is countable noun? A countable noun is a person, place, animal or thing that can be counted. We can form the plural of countable noun easily. We say dog, dogs, parrot, parrots, branch, branches, tree, trees. But when we comes to uncountable noun, an uncountable noun is that which cannot be counted. It does not have a plural form. Here some examples are given. Please give me some milk. Milk is the noun which we cannot count, so milk is an uncountable noun. Don't make so much noise. Noise is an uncountable noun. Is there enough flour in the house? Floor is an uncountable noun. So children, we will move on to the last exercise, that is exercise D. Here one box is given where many letters are written. The question is, find any 20 noun in this word frame and circle them. So we'll start with first one: furniture, glass, key, water, plate, pen, music, kite, food, sea, bread, butter, luggage, dolphin, clouds, tool, dress, apple. This is all about this question, children. I think you got an idea about this lesson and the answers I have given you. Please go through it and try to learn it in time. Thank you, children. Goodbye.